You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Butch, we're going to check out the Trolli, Sour Brite,
Trolla,
Abominable Snowmen.
Trollu,
Trolli, I think it's Trolli.
Trolli, Trolla, Trollu, la la da da da.
I've always said Trolli.
Trolli.
Now, I had a question for you.
Ask away, LPS-Dave.
By scent...
How many cents? 50?
No, you smell. How many hands do you think squished this in the store before I got it? How many DNA smells?
With my amazing doggy sense of smell, LPS-Dave, 38.
38 people.
Just this one. Now, that includes the guy that put it on the shelf.
Okay, that's one. The guy that put it in the box, or is the machine?
Machine.
Okay. So you didn't smell Stan?
No, not at all. That would be bad.
Yeah.
His odor overwhelms everything, LPS-Dave. No, it's pretty much just a whole
What
bunch
about Lefty? Lefty would have put this on the shelf on the LPS.
Lefty smells like an angel, LPS-Dave.
Okay, all right.
But this one here, this has got little grimy mitts all over it.
Grimy mitts. Okay, well, I'm glad it's sealed in a nice bag.
Well, you hope. You know, that does have the ability to penetrate through there, LPS-Dave.
Now, the bag itself has a black border, which is kind of a unique color. And then the inside is like a tealish, bluish with snowflakes. And then there's Christmas trees in the bottom right corner. And the Trolli almost looks like big puffy snow.
Yes, like a big snowman. Abominable, even.
Yeah. And he's in the corner, and his mouth is open. So has he really got an open mouth with a snowball in his hand? Or are they
I've been disappointed by this in the past, LPS-Dave. They make it look so alive and animated, and then you open it up, and it's like just a block of candy.
There's a to from in the top. I've never actually filled one of those out.
I've never thought I should give this to you for Christmas.
Oh, well, thanks. The back has 1, 2, 3 colors.
Which are flavors. Can you read those?
Mango passion fruit.
Mango
That's
passion
a good one,
fruit.
LPS-Dave.
Okay.
Very tropical. Strawberry slime.
Strawberry slime. Strawberry lime.
Lime. And let's see, blue raspberry guava.
Guava.
I knew someone that couldn't say their G's. They said it with a D.
Yeah, so you just
Guava.
want to support them.
Yes.
There's the nutritional facts. In the ingredients, it's pretty loaded there.
Yes. Not much health benefits to this one, LPS.
Calcium lactate. Color added. What color?
I'm a big fan. I put calcium lactate in all my
How about
salads.
sodium lactate?
That too.
Natural and artificial flavors. That's always a cue for we don't know. Yellow 5, red 40, yellow 6, blue 1. Those
I
aren't
think the
good.
natural
No.
flavors are making accommodation for maybe the insects that fall into the food
Think so?
processing. By the way, not very Christmassy.
No, but it's abominable. So
It is abominable. Yes.
It's a storm. It's a lot going on there. There's mountains and there's Christmas trees with ornaments.
I see them now. It's winter.
It is winter. Well, that's where he lives. In the mountains. All right, let's put this tray here. I
How
think
do
I'm
you
gonna.
know? Are you one of those guys that goes around looking for the abominable snowman?
No, I think that's Sasquatch they're looking for. Okay, I'm just gonna do a dump. I smell the artificial flavor. It's good and sweet. I don't know how they do that. Here we go.
Wow.
Can you imagine that?
They look like not sure. You know what they look like, LPS-Dave?
They look like,
Sugar-coated Stretch Armstrong.
yeah, I guess. It looks like you can almost build them,
Or like
too.
Barrel of Monkeys.
We're going to put those over there.
Barrel of
I'll tell you what, I
Abominable.
want to change the camera top down
good
so we
idea.
can all investigate, look at these, and study our abominable snowmen. Okay, now these are interesting. This guy looks like he's laying down,
He's thinking. He's pondering Christmas in life.
watching TV. This guy is...
Oh, we're not sure what he's scratching there, LPS.
he's like one of
Dave.
those crime scene...
Got an itch.
yeah. So you've got these yellow. Go over the flavors with me again.
There was a mango, and there was a guava, and there was a blue raspberry, and there was a slime,
Slime.
if I remember correctly. I'm not very specific on that.
Stretching. Yeah, you're right. It's Stretch Armstrong. Does he go back? Ooh, he kind of does.
Stretch.
He's the tallest of the abominables now, LPS Dave.
Yeah, he's in the pack. We can tell him apart from the other ones. Okay, so did you count those as I was going?
No, I was wondering, LPS Dave, do you think we'll have an even number of each?
I don't think so. I think the
What are the odds we'll have evens?
Mango Passion is 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate?
I guarantee you they skimped on the Mango Passions.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Those are the strawberry lime.
Least expensive of the flavors, LPS Dave.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 of these.
Whoa. They went all out on the blue raspberry guava.
Now, were you interested in trying any of these?
Oh, yeah. Silly
Well, tell me
question.
what you want to try. Mango passion fruit?
Is there an all of the above option by chance?
There is.
Oh, good.
After the video, when you clean up. I really like the laying down guy. This guy's also,
Yeah, don't ruin him.
he's laying down.
Let's
This
save
guy's army crawling. Anybody else laying down? No. Is it lying or laying?
I think it depends if you're telling the truth or not.
Okay, all right. Which one do you want? Help me out here. I want to get you...
Surprise me, LPS Dave.
Okay, look the other way.
Do you think that half of the body is one flavor and half the body is the other flavor?
Yes.
Fascinating.
I'm going to try strawberry long.
Do you start low or start high, LPS Dave? It feels kind of weird to bite his head off.
Now, bite his arms.
Arms.
I just ate a lime arm.
I just ate a mango
Mango.
arm.
I'm going to eat a strawberry head and arm.
I'm going pineapple.
Oh, your passion fruit.
Passion fruit. That's what I meant. Not so much on the passion fruit, LPS Dave.
No,
I'm going lower body.
I mean the whole thing. Okay, so it is sour.
Not overbearing, LPS.
No, it's a very light sour.
Mild sour.
I'm gonna
Sour
try-
light.
Let's try the same flavor together. You're gonna have to eat two of these. Here, I'm gonna give you his head right there. You just bite on that. This is blue raspberry and guava.
Oh.
Not flavors that I'm familiar with.
Where are you starting, LPS Dave?
Well, let's start on the blue. That one's good. I like the blue raspberry.
It's a little soapy to me.
Well, could be.
Guava.
I'm gonna eat the guava side.
That's an interesting flavor, LPS Dave.
No. Not too keen on the
Not
guava
my
side.
favorite.
Okay, so you haven't had this one. This time you get his legs. I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna go with the mango passion fruit.
And this is lime and what, LPS Dave?
That is strawberry lime.
Standard flavors.
Passion fruit's okay. Oh, by the way, everybody, there's chewing in this video.
Oh, yeah. Doing. And slopping.
Mango.
Huh.
This
I'm
guy
wired
looks like
with
he's-
sugar, LPS Dave. I'm wired.
He looks like he's flexing.
Muscle. One arm up, one arm down.
This guy, I don't know what he's doing. He's trying to do a
All right.
sit-up.
Have you now tried each of the
Yeah,
flavors?
we've
LPS
tried them
Dave?
all.
What is your favorite?
I want to say the mango passion fruit. I don't know why.
I want to say just mango.
Just the mango.
I would just eat the mango and throw everything else out.
Mango. Okay, let's see. We're going to go as far as we can before we remove an appendage. Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, his hand.
And that went into my body.
Let's see. Ooh, stretch his head. What's going to go first? The head or the legs?
Head.
Oh!
Oh.
Head or leg? Head or leg? Leg.
Oh.
That head's pretty tough. Oh.
Wow, LPS Dave. You
Let's
take,
put that
take
head
such
on this one.
strange pleasure in this torture.
There's a two-headed abominable snowman. Let's give him an orange head, too. Under your arm goes another head. The three-headed abominable snowman.
Brilliant, LPS Dave.
I'm going to bite the top and get all three.
Yay!
He's so happy, isn't he?
Now it's a snail. When you bite off leave the legs, it looks like a snail.
I don't know if I like that combination. I think I want to try this one.
That's the
With this one.
blue raspberry with mango.
Okay, I'm going to spit that one out. Reconnect him. Oh, here, Butch, here's one for you.
I think I'll pass on that
Here
one.
you go. It's a little wet.
Yeah, yummy. Where'd all the sugar go?
Look at that. I've rebuilt him. Let's give him a different color leg. Let's give him a green leg.
Hours of fun.
Remind me not to put this back in the candy pile.
Hours of fun.
For everybody in the family. This
Uh-huh.
do. There we go. There he is. A quadruple flavor.
Yes, Dave.
Okay, that one was eaten. That one was eaten.
It seems like such a strange thing to be doing, torturing abominable snowmen with the Christmas tree in the background and the presents and the little girly doll and
I do apologize for that. What's a little girly doll?
the little girly doll, the little girl doll.
Where?
Down on the bottom there by the tree. On the platter, LPS-Dave.
Oh, on the plaid.
Yes. It's like a beautiful Christmas scene, and here you are torturing abominable snowmen, tearing off limbs.
Thinking there'd be little snowballs in there.
And they do not have mouths.
No.
Can you make a mouth in them, LPS-Dave?
Okay, let me get a knife here. Give him a little.
Careful. Because in the picture, it looks like he's almost smiling.
Yeah, he's happy. Look. Hey, Butch. It's me. It's me, the Abominable Snowman.
Hey there.
Let me ask you something,
Buddy?
Butch. When was the last time you hung out with an Abominable Snowman?
I have to say it's been a while.
You know what my favorite thing to do is, Butch? Eat.
Eat what?
Eat. Well, I kind of eat anything that's looking somewhat tasty. Yeah, look at you.
What do you have for Christmas? What's your favorite Christmas meal?
Is there any chance you can take a shower? Clean up a little bit?
Well, I don't know what you mean by that.
Well, I like my food clean before I munch it.
What you mean? We're gonna have a meal together?
Yeah. Can you get in the pot over there? It's a little warm. It'd be nice and cozy for you to clean up.
I guess I never turned down a nice warm bath.
Yeah. Okay, you hop in there.
What are these onions and carrots doing in here in my
carrots and celery?
Is that soap?
Potato. Those are potatoes. Yeah, I gotta have potato and then some herbs. Yeah, I like the oregano in there.
I feel refreshed. I feel clean and refreshed.
You like spinach, Butch?
I've been
You feel a little tired there? Would you like it a little warmer? I'll tell you what, I'm going to make it a little warmer for you. A couple logs on the fire. Oh, yeah, how's it feeling? Good?
This is becoming quite creepy, LPS-Dave.
Well, that's what it's like when you eat with an abominable snowman. What else do you think you eat? Snowballs? No, come on. I got to eat meat. I got to eat vegetables. I got to eat everything else.
You don't seem like you have the teeth to handle that kind of thing.
I might even eat one of my friends over here. Look at this guy. He's tasty. He's a little sour, but he's tasty.
Oh, boy.
That was a good scene.
Things have gotten really twisted around here at Christmas time.
And speaking of twisted, look at
Christmas.
these guys. They're all manged up.
All right, well, there you go, everybody. It's the Trolli Sour Bite Abominable Snowmen.
Trolli, trolla.
We do appreciate everybody watching. Hopefully you're enjoying this Christmas series with Butch and I.
Having fun, LPS-Dave.
My fingers are totally sticky. I could probably just pick one up like that. Come on, stick.
Here, bring it on over. I'll clean them up for you.
Nah, I'm going to clean out the parts and pieces that I handle. I'll put them back in the bag. Nobody will ever know.
There.
Nobody will ever know. I'll bring them
These have
upstairs.
sugar on them, LPS-Dave.
Well, see, maybe one of the kids will enjoy these. Now that
that's
I've handled
disgusting.
them all. All right, there we go. Seal it up.
boy. And all that's left is Christmas.
this.
A beautiful Christmas scene
Yeah, right there.
with the abominable snowman
all
carnage.
torn apart, yeah. All right, that's the Trolli Sour Brite Abominable Snowman. And thanks for watching, everybody. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Later.
Boy, what?
Was that too gruesome? Should we not put that video up?
Twisted, LPS-Dave. Twisted Christmas.
I was just kidding. No one would cook you. You're cooking as you
But
are.
now I want soup.
Yeah, soup does sound good.
Soup sounds good.
Now, would you like a beef minestrone, a potato soup, chicken noodle?
Abominable snowman soup.
I wonder. Yeah, you probably could cook them. So it'd be sweet. I don't like sweet soup.
You gotta spice it up a little bit.
Like pumpkin soup, wouldn't eat it.
Not good.
No.
Sweet and sour.
Strawberry soup, wouldn't eat it.
Dessert.
Yeah, like a dessert. All right, well, let's go make some soup.
Soup.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.